Mày y cái này cái tụi pia. Pai bông pek. Tong mama manu ba ai. Ai maya me yang birthday Christmas. Hatu sini aku bener. Menyethok mama bi maya. Sisa. Ban teriak maya me mày. Maya le cukup angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Presiden ke HSPDP ubah KP Pangyang ulai tu badang shen ke seng HSPDP ke lalai ban penken mau ya ke sorkar bagade ban Sdang no ya ke Jingiakren pen baik put bar ke Assam na bentar ke baar. Henry ulong bo menteri rangba ula pensyah ki bagi Jingiakren pen baik kan Sdang no shen Hadien baladap sendan ke Elekshon ha Assam. Susu ulong bah kini hendak sengi banwan kin lai banyak kendu Biang yu menteri rangba ban penken mau bo de ban beteng Biang ya ke Jingiakren ha ki Henry tuli jaka ya kaja ki badang sa.
Another important issue of the party, like the settlement of interstate boundary, it will be another milestone that the government of the day will take forward. See, last year only, we have submitted the reminder from the party to the government to continue the second phase talk with Assam. As you are aware of the fact that 12 areas of differences, the government of Meghalaya and Assam has tried its best to find ways and means of solution of those 6 areas of differences, and now we are having remaining 6 areas of differences. So recently our Honorable Chief Minister told us that when and the Assam government now having the election in the state, if and when the election is over, then they will resume the talk. So within these few days to come, again the party has decided to approach the government to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of the government to take further talk and to resume the 6 areas of the 6th sector, those who are still to be discussed and to find a settlement of the long pending problem of the interstate issue boundary of Meghalaya and Assam.